Hey guys, how we doing today? Mike Blueface Plus. I hope everybody's doing good. Thanks for tuning in. Today I just got a short video. The anode here on my Mercury outboard had broken off, accidentally bumped it, or it just kind of snapped off. So we're gonna just be replacing that today. So here's kind of part number and show you what it is. So basically, just gonna slap this on there. Very simple job. Kind of what it looks like. Just make sure for your motor, every engine should have one. It helps prevent the corrosion. See how this kind of corroding a little bit? Well, it helps prevent your engine from corrosing and all the water jackets. So it's very important that we install this. So let's go ahead and hopefully you can hear me good away, because if you can hear me over here, I got a brand new mic, and be sure to check that video out. But thanks for my reviewer who commented. Then get a mic, because when I turn around you can still hear me. So we're going to take a 13mm socket. I already started loosening it off scene, you know, just getting ready. Very simple job. Everybody's a little different. All it is a bolt. Put the new one on. Just like this. Make sure it's straight. Obviously make sure your props not hitting. Line it up. I'd say it looks pretty good right there, boys and girls. Got to get her lined up. Not a very hard job, nothing difficult. So be sure to take a look at your outboard boat motor. Check the condition of it, and make sure it's in really good shape. Because, like I said, it plays a very important role with your engine. Most people don't even know they're there. So, but it helps prevent this. So, very important, and just good and tight. You don't want to snap it off. Check your torque specs. Good and tight's always good with me. So that's it, guys. Also, this might be the last video with this skiff here. Unfortunately, it's up for sale. I got my Pro line, so be sure to check out some of those videos on the Pro line. You know, so anyway, I was hoping you guys would enjoy this video. Just a quick little fix. Let me show you a little bit around here what we got going on. So here's the skiff, J16. Beautiful, beautiful boat. I've had it for 9 years. So we're gonna try to get like $6 grand for it. I really wanted to get like 85, but I might just let it go. It needs a good home. I got the 20-foot Pro line, 150 horsepower, 2-stroke Mariner. Maybe I'll get some fishing videos offshore for you guys. I got another project engine here, and then I got this 1996 Sea-Doo SPX 717 2-stroke. So I'm thinking about doing a video, bringing this out, cleaning it up, see if we can't get it running. Tell me if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. It'd be cool. But guys, I appreciate y'all. If you haven't liked, subscribed, I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to get to my road to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get a little more involved with my videos going forward. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And stay tuned and be ready for the next one. Y'all take care. God bless. Peace.